Hello there! Today we will learn how to cut and paste circles. Why don't we see what do we have in our book? Well, yes, we have a beautiful design right here. Let's see what the instructions say. We need 4 different marble papers, stencil, and our pencil. Let's take our stencil and make different sizes of circles. We need to draw it and then cut it. Why don't we paste it on this circle which is provided on the next page? And well, why don't we see what are the materials required? Yes, we need marble papers of different colors, scissor, glue, pencil, and the stencil which is already in our book. That's great. Let's take the first circle which is of 8 cm radius. Well, at first you can use your pencil and make this entire circle. Now let's see how to hold a scissor. Well, you need to use your first 2 fingers and your thumb to hold your scissor. And let's see how do we hold it with our right hand. Again, we need to use our first 2 fingers and our thumb. Let's see how to cut it. Yes, we need to keep our paper right here. Now let's keep the stencil aside and start cutting. Let's cut the circle. And how do we do that? Well, we go right on top of the circle which we have made with our pencil or sketch pen. You can take your elder's help while cutting this circle. That's great. Now, why don't we take another sheet of paper, place the stencil on top and start drawing our next circle which is of 6 cm radius. Start cutting right on top of the circle you have drawn. Make sure you cut it exactly on top of the drawn circle. This looks amazing. Now why don't we try cutting the other 2 like this, which are of 4 cm and 2 cm. That's amazing. Now it's time for us to stick these circles. On the outline of the circle, why don't we start putting small dots of glue? And yes, let's put it in the center as well. Let's press it gently now. This looks great. Let's repeat the same thing with the medium-sized circle. Put the glue dots on the outline and stick it right in the center. Why don't we repeat the same steps again? And finally, just because this is a very small circle, we are only going to put glue in the center and gently press it right here. Don't forget to close your glue and your scissor as well. This looks beautiful.